Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video what we are going to see is about levels of organizations of ecology. So in ecology there is a different levels of an organization and we are going to see it as a step by step. So first one is the organism. Organism is nothing but having a different part. So a particular organism consists of a different part that function together as a individual. So although the organism consists of a different parts, it function together as a single individual. Take for example an human being. So human being consists of a different parts, different organs, okay, different cells, but it all functions together as a single individual human being. So that is what is known as an organism. So next one is a population. Population is nothing but a group of individuals, a group of individual of same species. So in organism, a group of an organism or group of an individual belongs to the particular species inhabiting the same area. So on particular area, a particular species. So group of individuals of a one particular species that inhabits the same area is known as a population. So same species, group of individuals belongs to same species of a same area. It is known as a population. So next one is the biological community. So biological community is nothing but a interdependence and the interactions among the population of a different species in a habitat. So on particular habitat, an interaction and interdependence between a different species, population of different species. So take for example, in a lake. In a lake there is a different types of a species. Take for example, in a lake there will be a fish, there will be a snakes, there will be a frogs. Okay. So in these an interdependence and interaction among these different species is known as a among these different species is a biological community. Take for example, in a lake, snake may eat a fish, a snake may eat a frog. So it is a snake is dependent on a fish and a frog. Likewise, a frog eats insect. So an interaction and interdependence is there between the different types of a species. So they collectively known as a community, biological community. Next one is an ecosystem. Interaction of a living thing among themselves and with the physical environment. So on a particular area or particular habitat, the interaction among the living things that live there among themselves, interaction among themselves, and also with the interaction with the physical environment where it lives. So interaction of a particular living thing with its physical environment and within itself is a ecosystem. Okay. Next one is the landscape. Landscape having a natural boundary. Landscape having a natural boundary which represents different ecosystem. So a landscape is bigger than a ecosystem. It consists of a different types of a ecosystem. So on particular land area, a biggest land area that consists of a different ecosystem is known as a landscape and it has a natural boundary. Okay, we are going to see this every topic in a detail in upcoming videos. I'm just giving a general introduction about the topics. Okay, next one is the biome. Flora and fauna associated with a specific climate zone. So if you take a world was divided into a different biomes. Okay, or take for example grassland biomes, desert biomes. So desert was very hot. So its climate is very hot in the morning. Okay. Likewise, if you take a grassland, its climate is different from that of a desert biome. So a flora and fauna that was associated with the climatic condition and they collectively known as a biome. Okay. Next, biosphere. So biosphere is nothing but a very large one where the life exists. So wherever the life exists and it is a combination of a atmosphere. Atmosphere is nothing but a air and hydrosphere is nothing but a water and the lithosphere is a land. So in these three places collectively where the life exists is known as a biosphere. So these are all the levels of organization in ecology, and we are going to study it in detail in the upcoming chapters. Okay, thank you.